Good morning, students. Today I start with lesson 9 adjectives. Now, what are adjectives? In simple language, adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. An adjective describes, identifies, or quantifies a noun or a pronoun. It describes what kind, what type, identifies, it tells what type of the person or a place or an animal or a thing is, quantifies, it tells the quantity. Adjectives describe nouns or pronouns by giving some information about a person's or an object's size, big, small, shape, round, square, triangle, age, 10, 20, color, black, white, red, origin, where it came from, material, steel, cement, wood, brass. Adjectives can come after the noun they describe, but are mostly adjectives come before the noun. But sometimes they can come after the noun also. Example, that is an old table. So what type of table? Old. Now table is a common noun and old is describing the table and it is coming before the noun. Our neighbors are kind. Now neighbors is common noun beta. So what type of neighbors I have? Kind. So kind is coming now, it's an adjective and it is coming after the noun. Anu likes spicy food. What kind of food Anu likes? Spicy. Now beta, there are kinds of adjectives. Adjectives can be of different types depending on the type of information they give about a noun or a pronoun. Now beta, there are 6 types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Now I am going to explain each adjective. So just listen to the explanation. First, adjectives of quality. They tell us about the shape, size, color, or special quality of the noun. And they answer the question, what kind of? Now, what kind of, if I ask this question to the noun, the answer I get will be the adjective. Now, shape. I have a round table. What kind of table you have? Round. So it is telling the shape. Size. What kind of boy he is? Ram is a fat boy. What kind of boy? Fat. Color. I have a red dress. What kind of dress you have? Red color. Or some special quality like lion is a ferocious animal. What kind of animal is lion? Ferocious. Now examples, beta, draw a big circle. What type of circle to draw? Big. What kind of? The boy wearing a blue jacket is my brother. Who is the boy wearing which jacket? What kind of jacket is your brother? Blue. A huge car stopped outside my house. What kind of car stopped outside your house? Huge. So these are adjectives of quality. Now second is adjectives of quantity. They tell us how much of something there is. It specifies the quantity of the noun being talked about. So it specifies the quantity. They answer the question how many in the case of countable nouns and how much in the case of uncountable nouns. If I say how many, if I ask a question with how many, then it is countable noun. And when I say how much, then it is for uncountable noun. I have many friends. How many friends you have? Many. But you can count your friends. There is enough food for everyone. How much food is there for everyone? Enough. So beta, but food cannot be counted. Piece of cake, slices of bread, oranges, a basket full of oranges, a bunch of bananas. You can count. Some, much, many, enough, little, several are some other adjectives of quantity. Now third is adjectives of number. Tells us how many persons, animals or things there are. They also tell us about the position of a noun in series. They are used with countable nouns. They answer the question how many. Now with a how many if I ask, then it is number. Adjectives of number include cardinal number with a 1, 2, 3, ordinal number first, second, third, words like all, several, many and few. Now examples, 5 cats ran into the courtyard. How many cats ran into the courtyard? 5. There are several roses on the bush. How many roses on the bush? Several. But you can count. Now if the some word is used, some word as an adjective, if it answers the question how many, then it is number. I saw some children playing in the fields. So you can count the children. If it answers the question how much, then it is adjective of quantity. I poured some milk into the jug. So how much milk you poured? Some. So you can't count. Can you count milk? No. But can you count the children? Yes. So if you ask the question with how many, then some will become adjective of number. But if you ask the question with how much, then some will become adjective of quantity. Now fourth is demonstrative adjective. It points to and indicates a specific person, place, animal or thing. You point. They are beta this, that, these, those. They answer the question which one. If I ask you which one, which dress you like, which one of them, red or blue, then you'll say this dress I like. Maybe it is a red one or it is a blue one. This and that are used for singular nouns. These and those are used for plural nouns. Beta, this is near object, that is for far away object. These are for plural near objects and those are for plural far away objects. Now example, this egg is rotten. So particular egg. These tomatoes are ripe. Particular. Now the fifth is interrogative adjectives. They are used to ask questions and are always followed by a noun. They are which, what and whose. Example, whose bag is this? Now bag is a noun. So before that, whose bag is this? Which house is hers? Now house is a noun. So before that, which? So and beta question, interrogative adjective, beta whenever there is an interrogative question, it ends with the question mark. What dress are you wearing? The dress is a noun, common noun, beta. What dress are you wearing? Maybe you say I am wearing a beautiful dress. I am wearing a red colored dress. So what you're asking, what kind? Now, beta, sixth is possessive adjectives. They show ownership or the relationship between two nouns. Possessive, beta, ownership means mine, hers, his, and relationship between two nouns. Possessive adjectives answer the question whose. It always comes before a noun. The words my, you, his, her, their, are, and its are used as possessive adjectives. Now, like example, beta, is this your book? So, whose book is this? Is this your book? I am asking. So, your is possession. Aman is her brother. Whose brother is Aman? Her. So, beta, when you are showing your possession, that it is yours, his, hers, mine, then beta, it becomes a possessive adjective. So beta, in adjectives we have done that it describes a noun or a pronoun, it quantifies, describes, and beta, there are 6 types of adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, and possessive adjective. So beta, this is the chapter of adjectives. Thank you.